If you've ever wanted to build a feedback form with emoji ratings, fast and without getting lost in complex tools, this quick 3-minute tutorial is exactly what you need. I've tested the most popular platforms out there, and I'll show you the fastest way to create a clean, clickable emoji feedback form that looks great and works on any site. Plus, there's an exclusive free trial in the description that's only available for viewers of my channel if you want to follow along. All right, let's dive straight in. First, open the software we'll be using, links below if you want the free trial. Once you're in, hit Create New Form and name it something like Emoji Feedback. Keep it simple. Now select the Emoji Rating block. This is where you can pick between different emoji styles, smiley faces, thumbs up, down, stars, whatever fits your vibe. Drag that into your form. Next, customize the scale, for example, 1 to 5 emojis. Label them if needed, something like very unhappy to very happy, or just let the emojis speak for themselves. Add a quick question above it like, how was your experience today? That keeps the context clear. Now here's a smart trick. Add a conditional follow-up or question. If someone picks 1 or 2 emojis, you can prompt them with, what could we do better? If they pick 4 or 5, you can say, what did you love most? This turns your emoji feedback into real insights. Style your form to match your brand. You can tweak colors, fonts, even the background. This software gives you full control without needing to code. Once it looks good, click Publish. And you'll get a shareable link or an embed code to place it directly on your website, landing page, or email. And that's it. Your feedback form with emoji ratings is live. Here's the key takeaway. Adding emoji ratings to your feedback forms makes it effortless for users to respond and drastically boost your response rate. Emojis are universal, fast to understand, and way more fun than drop-downs or scales. Quick recap. We opened the form builder, added the emoji rating block, set a question and a scale, used smart follow-ups to gather better insights, styled the form to match our brand, and published it. Done in minutes. Before you go, don't forget, if you want to build your own emoji feedback form like the one you just saw, the exclusive free trial link is waiting for you in the description. It's only available for viewers of this channel, and it'll save you tons of time. Thanks for watching. Now go build something great.